Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can use the special feature, so guided washing, in the HAIER washer dryer iPro 5. So in the first step, let's open the appliance in the app and choose the special features. Then select the guided wash. Now select that you want to enable the washing cycle, drying cycle, or wash and dry cycle. Click on the continue. Now we have to adjust the settings to our needs, so which kind of fabrics we need to dry. So let's select the cotton, the special clothes, in my case the German fitness, and select the home linen if you need like a bed linens. Okay, as you can see there, we are trying to wash different fabrics, so we're gonna cancel the bed linens and click on the next. Now we have to select the level of the dirty of our clothes and the colors. Now select the drying level, so ready to wear, cardboard, iron dry, or no dry, so ready to wear. Click on the next. And as you can see, there we have our suggested program. You can start it now or select schedule for later. If you want to add this program to favorites, click on the edit details and click on the heart icon. Okay, never mind. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, comment, and goodbye.